Welcome back. Now, it's important to understand the limitations of ChatGPT, especially what the company says are its limitations. The most important element is going to be the very first limitation, and you're going to see this here as of the recording of this video. You'll notice that it says that ChatGPT writes plausible sounding but incorrect and nonsensical answers. And that for what ChatGPT does, this is not something that the model itself will be able to fix. And so you'll need to be aware of that when you use information that you get from the actual chatbot. In the second area, it says that in some cases you can restate a question and get different answers from the chatbot. So if you don't like the response you're getting, it's a good idea to restate the input that you're putting in order to get the output from the chatbot. The third bullet point, it openly states that the open chatbot can use more words than it should, and in some cases will overuse certain phrases. So this is something that you are going to want to be aware of. Another very important element to the information that you're getting back from the chatbot is the fact that ideally you would want the chatbot to ask you clarifying questions. However, what the model does is it assumes what you intended. So again, that's very important for you to understand when you're getting the information from the chatbot. Lastly, the chatbot will do what it can to refuse what it views to be inappropriate requests to the model. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.